Hello, students. Today we are going to study the one more application of the differential equation, that is the velocity of escape from the Earth. Okay, we know that everybody is we know that everybody on the Earth is acted by the or bounding by a force called as the acceleration due to gravity, or the force of acceleration, or some kind of force of attraction that we are called as the force of gravity or the gravity. Therefore, whenever we consider the such kind of problem, there are the some logical flow or the some line of action that we have to taken or the considered. Okay, now let us this study this such type of logical flow with the help of example. Now consider the example given in the Nirali publication book, that is the determine the least velocity with which a particular with which a particle must be projected vertically upward so that it does not return to the earth. Okay, assume that it is acted upon by the gravitational attraction of the earth only. In such kind of problem, consider here the earth is there. Okay, here small r is equal to capital R, that is the radius of the earth. uh, Force of attraction or the gravity is applied when small r equal to capital R, means whenever that particle is within the boundary of the radius of the earth, up to that boundary only the acceleration due to gravity, that is the a is equal to small g, is applied here. Okay, and at the and this is the earth. Okay, this is the center of the earth, and this is the from this point to this point is the radius of the earth. And the force of gravitational is gravity or the force of attraction towards the center of the earth is applied when the small r is equal to capital R. And when that body is escape or free out of that the aura of that gravitational force, then it is free to the what you say is the universe. Okay, now let us consider this example. How to solve this example? Let us consider this. Let small r be the variable distance of the particle from the earth's surface. Okay, small r is the distance that is variable, therefore small r is the variable distance of that particle from the from the earth center. Now by applying the Newton's law of gravitation, the acceleration of the particle is directly proportional to the 1 upon r square. Here 1 upon r square, we have applied the Newton's law of gravitation. Therefore acceleration A, and what is our standard formula acceleration? Acceleration A is equal to v velocity into dv by dt. Okay, differentiation of velocity with respect to time, that is the a is equal to v into dv by dt. Acceleration A is directly proportional to 1 upon r square. R is the variable distance of the, or the radius of the earth or that particle from the earth center. Therefore A is equal to mu upon r square. What is mu? Mu is the constant of proportionality. Therefore A is equal to mu upon r square. But in our case, where v is the velocity of the particle when its distance from the earth center is the small r, the acceleration is negative because v is the velocity and it is continuously decreasing. Therefore it is considered as the velocity is continuously decreasing, therefore it is considered as the negative. On the surface of the earth, when that particle is on the surface of the earth, then small r is equal to capital R, which is the radius of the earth, and acceleration is equal to minus g. It is considered as the minus because it is continuously velocity is decreasing. Therefore small g is the acceleration of the gravity at the surface. Therefore small g is equal to minus mu upon r square. Okay, therefore mu is equal to g into r square. I had simplified this by taking the cross multiplication and changing the minus sign become the positive. Therefore v into dv by dr is equal to minus mu upon r square, which is equal to minus g into capital R square upon small r square. Put this equation in the variable separable form, means take the VV term at one side and RR's term another side. Therefore, V into dV by dr is equal to minus G into R square upon R square. Therefore, V into dV is equal to minus G into capital R square upon small r square into dr. Therefore, after integrating, we will get here integration of V dV is equal to minus G into R square integration of dr upon R square plus C. Therefore, V square upon 2 is equal to G R square, G capital R square upon small r plus C. Therefore, after simplifying, we will get here V square is equal to 2G R square upon R plus 2C. This is the equation number 2. Now, at the initially, means when time t equal to 0, let V0 be the initial velocity of the projection from the surface of the earth. Then V equal to V0, initial speed is V0 and small r is equal to capital R. Therefore, substitute this value to the equation 2. We will get here V0 square is equal to 2G capital R plus 2C. This is the equation number 3. Now substitute the 3 from 2 to eliminate the constant C. We will get here V square minus V0 square is equal to 2GR square upon small r minus 2GR. Okay. Therefore, V square is equal to 2GR square upon R plus V0 square minus 2GR. The particle, in this case, the particle will never return to Earth if its velocity V during the ascent remains the positive. When their velocity, when it is going to the ascending, means at the upward direction, that velocity V should be always positive. Once it is out of the out of that or that the particle applied force is greater than the acceleration due to gravity force, or the velocity V is positive, then and only then it will be escape from the gravitational force of the earth. Therefore, for if the V vanishes, the particle come to rest and then descends. Okay, so that V becomes the negative. Now, as the particle rises upward, as the particle is going to the upward side, okay, upward side, then 2GR square upon R goes on decreasing. Therefore, the velocity will remain positive if and only if V0 square minus 2GR is greater than or equal to 0. That is, if V0 is greater than under root of square root of 2GR. Therefore, the least velocity of the projection V0 is equal to square root of 2GR. A particle projected with this velocity will never return to the earth. That is, it will escape from the earth. This velocity is called as the velocity of escape from the earth. Okay, it will escape means out of the control from the acceleration due to gravity, and it will escape into the universe. Therefore, it is also called as the velocity of the projection. Here, such simple concepts are we have to understand, and after applying that logic, we will solve such kind of differential equations. Okay, thank you students. If you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you.